Catherine Bernardo update. Ito na si Catherine for ABS-CBN Gold 2025. Isa sa mga inabangan dyan si Catherine. Ang ganda ni Catherine, no? Yung OOTD. Yung pinagandaan niya ni Catherine. May sinagot din ni Catherine yung tanong. Ayan, no? Sa red carpet si Catherine. ABS-CBN Gold 2025. May sinagot na ni Catherine. Kung single nga ba si Catherine. Ito yung video.
Tinatanong ng lahat, are you single, taken? I'm very happy. And yes, still single. I love it. I'm very happy. Nasagot na ha, mga fans ha.
Yeah.
Catherine, thank you so much. Enjoy tonight. We'll
Thank
see you
you.
later.
See you inside.
Edward and Bianca, back to you guys.
Ayan, sinagot na ni Catherine. And interaction nila Catherine at Curtis.
It's all over my feed sa Facebook. Are you very well?
Yes,
Ganda. Gawin mo.
Tapos si Catherine din, saka si Belle. Saka si Catherine, saka si Nadine. Yun, no? Catherine. Catherine at Nadine. Ayan, parang solid. Ito yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram. Ayan, in-order niya ang kanyang OOTD para sa ABS-CBN Gold 2025. Sabi niya, keeping things relaxed and free this year. And spring ring, the ABS-CBN Gold 2025 is here, you know. Asian superstar Catherine Bernardo. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.